Good morning. It is just after 6. The blizzard warning has gone into effect. It's not doing anything right now. It's overcast. Cold. 29 degrees. I gotta run on my car and get my coat. So I can do updates throughout the day. So, see if I can reach it. There we go. There we go. Okay. I will update you in a few hours. Snow is about 10 miles out to the south. So let's check and see what's going on. It's maybe sleet? See, there's definitely stuff on the ground, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Well, we'll check back later. So, adding to that last clip, I'm just gonna peek out here. I don't know if it's just slick. I don't know. Let me look. Make sure I don't go. And yeah, it's sleeting. Yeah, it's coming down. There's stuff on the little tiny ice balls on the ground. So it is now 12:18 p.m. I haven't done an update since what time is it? 8:30. I had to take a nap. I didn't get much sleep last night. So let's see what we have out back. Oh my god, it's so bright. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Wow. It's a lot of snow. I don't know how much we got, but the wind's blowing. It is around 7:15 p.m. I took a nap for a while, so that's why I didn't update any sooner, but this is what it looks like. This is my porch, and there's a pretty big drift right there. So that'll be fun to deal with. Yeah, so that's it. Good morning. It is the 9th. The blizzard warning is no longer in effect. It's been replaced with a winter weather advisory that expires at 9 o'clock. It is 6:30, around there. Let's go look what we got. Oh my god. That's crazy. There's a huge drift down there. Look at that. Oh, oh oh no, there's stuff in my mailbox. No! Oh, that's not good. That is cold. Ah, that's cold.